Hello guys, and welcome back to Programming N. And today, I'm going to teach you how to make a MadLibs game in Scratch. So first, we're going to need some variables. So first, you're going to delete my variables, or rename it, or whatever. And I'm going to make my MadLibs related to certain things. So you're going to say animal, name, place, and you can do stuff that you want too. And you can make it longer, so because eventually, you're going to have it be that at the end it's gonna be like your sprite is gonna say it and you're gonna ask what you want it to be and it's gonna do that. And it's gonna merge them all together and create a MadLibs. So first we're gonna have a welcome screen, obviously. Welcome to Scratch. No. MadLibs in Scratch. So then we're gonna have an ask block. We need to ask something. We're gonna need to ask, give me a name. And we're gonna set our variable name to the answer, okay? And to duplicate these, we're gonna right click and duplicate. So give me a place and set place to answer, right? So before we do that, we're gonna need an animal because my story is gonna be interesting. Animal, name, animal, place. What do we have left? Thing and verb. Give me an item and then wait and set thing to that. And we're going to keep doing this until we finish. Give me a verb. And for mine, we're going to need it to be past tense. Then we're going to set verb to that. Now that we have that, we're going to have it say whatever we do. So say this for 2 seconds. Then we're going to have it, we're going to need a join block and our variables. So join name. Then I'm gonna need another join block. And a animal. Then we're gonna duplicate this. Replace this with went to place. Then I'm gonna need another join block. Thing to see a thing. Then we're gonna say another say block. Join name and we need verb now. Cause mine is gonna be name and a animal, went to place to see a thing, name, verb, in the sky. So let's try this out. Let's do scratch cat, dog, earth, backpack, swim. Scratch cat and a dog. So I made a mistake here. I did not put a space after everything because there's going to be a word after it. We need there to be a space. Before, on the edge of everything, there needs to be a space. So make sure you have your spaces and let's test it out again. But see, it let everything stay the same, and we don't want that. So let's zoom out a bit. When green flag pressed, set animal to nothing. Then we're going to duplicate this, duplicate, and we're going to keep doing that until we have everything. You guys can make it so that you have more variables so that your MadLibs are longer. And like I made mine pretty short, but usually MadLibs are like 2 to 3 sentences, so you can do that. But this is kind of boring when you do that. So I'm gonna make it so that mine slowly does stuff. So I'm gonna make it so that it broadcasts message 1 here, and then when I receive message 1, set mosaic effect to 0. Then I'm gonna take a forever loop, wait 0.3 seconds, change mosaic effect by 25. Now let's test this out. Let's go again. Scratch cat, dog, earth, backpack, swam. Scratch cat and a dog went to earth to see a backpack. Scratch cat swam in the sky. But as you can see, the mosaic effect gets pretty small. In my case, I'm gonna have to make it so that my cat gets set to 540. Let's try that number. Set size to 540%. Let's do that. There, that covers the whole screen. And you guys can also make it so that you have other effects. Like, we have the color effect. Let's try that. We don't need that for... Only do this for the mosaic effect if you want to cover the whole screen. That changes color. This makes it so that it, like, warps. This just does that. This slowly makes your thing into, like, pixely. The clear graphic effect. You can be no mosaic, but brightness, you're not going to do that because it just does that. But the ghost effect is weird because it does this. So I would recommend choose one of these 5. Don't do the bottom 2 for your effect. I personally like the mosaic effect. So That's how you make a simple MadLibs in Scratch. And if you want to see how I made this, I'm going to post this on my Scratch Ninja Man 2012. Check me out, see the project, and